Welcome to the 2026 Shopify Point of Sale Overview. Today we're walking through a complete high-volume retail workflow on iPad, from register setup to advanced fulfillment. Let's begin. We start in a secure environment. Tap More. Now tap Register. The manager enters their credentials to begin the session. This ensures every transaction is tied to the correct staff member for accountability and reporting. Once authenticated, the smart grid becomes active. Next, tap Settings, then Hardware, then Cash Drawer. We are setting an opening float of $200. This baseline allows Shopify POS to track every cent throughout the day. The register is now open. Let's process a real customer transaction. Tap the denim jacket tile. The item slides into the cart instantly. Tap the Quantity Increase button. The customer wants to watch the subtotal update in real time to $170. Now, for items not pinned to the grid, tap the barcode icon near the cart header. The scanner modal opens. Notice the animated red laser scanning across the product barcode. The organic cotton tee is detected automatically and added to the cart at $35. Now, tap the red Add Bag tile. The shopping bag is added as a $2 line item. The red tile ensures staff never forget this upsell. Retail isn't always standard. Tap Custom Sale. In the modal, enter the product name, Gift Wrap Service. Quantity, 1. Price, $5. Tap Add to Cart. The custom service now appears as a tracked line item. To thank this customer, we'll apply a cart-wide discount. Tap the 10% off tile. Watch the system calculate automatically. Our subtotal of $212 is reduced by $21.20. The final total is $190.80. Now let's attach the customer profile. Tap Add Customer. A searchable customer modal appears with existing profiles listed below the search bar. Type Jane. Select Jane Doe, Gold tier. Her loyalty badge now appears in purple at the top of the cart. This enables rewards tracking and purchase history. Jane would like the order shipped to her home. Tap Ship All Items. Her saved shipping address appears automatically. Select the preferred shipping method. Tap Checkout. Payment is processed. The order is completed and marked unfulfilled with a blue truck icon indicating shipment from the warehouse. Now let's customize the smart grid. Long press on any tile. The grid enters edit mode. Notice the jiggle animation and delete icons. Tap the Add tile with the plus symbol. Choose Product, then select Leather Boots and tap Save. The new tile appears instantly. Tap Add Tile again. Select Collection. Choose Winter 2026 and tap Save. Tap Add Tile again. Select Discount. Configure 15% and tap Save. Tap Add Tile once more. Select Link. Enter the external portal address and tap Save. Your checkout screen is now fully customized for speed and seasonal priorities. To reset the layout, tap Clear Tiles. Confirm the reset. The grid returns to default while preserving core functionality, including the Add Tile button. You've now seen how Shopify POS in 2026 handles authentication, precise cash tracking, barcode scanning, dynamic cart math, loyalty integration, shipping fulfillment, and smart grid customization, all from a single iPad interface. Keep your checkout fast, keep your layout smart, and keep your customers coming back. We'll see you in the next part.